morning, people. It is 5:30 in the morning. We have a shuttle to catch back to Chiang Mai, in the city.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's a little cold in the jungle.
Buenos dias, mi gente. Buenos dias.
We're going to Chiang Mai. We have to stop at the Airbnb to drop off our bags. And today we are doing a cooking school at the secret Thai cooking school.
Something like that.
Thai secret cooking school, something like that. I have Lena put the stuff in the description below, but you guys see what we're gonna do. Only issue is it's a little dark outside. There you go. So we gotta walk in this to the river shuttle stop all the way at the top of the hill. So we gonna need flashlights and to take our time. So yeah, but we're leaving at 6. The hour, or it's like the ride is like about an hour and 15 minutes. We think we ready?
Damien's almost ready. Damien never's ready. I don't understand. I don't understand how he's never ready.
You're always waiting on Damien.
I don't understand, bruh. I don't understand.
Oh, we're riding the open air, like covered tuk-tuk with like windows on the side, so it was the cheapest option.
I gotta tell people we poor.
I'm not. I'm just saying we're trying to be cheap.
No, we poor for real.
So it was $800. It was 800 baht for us to do that ride, which is the one that we did coming here. And if you leave before, what was it, 8 o'clock? 7.
You leave the crack ass of, is it dawn? Of dawn. You got paid extra. So we're paying 1,000 baht, which is, figure it out.
I don't know how much money. Probably like what, like $30, $40 or something like that. I have no idea, but still not bad to split between all 4 of us either way. So yeah, we will see you later. We made it to the top of the hill. Now we're waiting for the shuttle car.
If this is the Blair Witch Project, it was fun, you guys. I saw elephants.
We have made it to the next location. We're in Chiang Mai waiting to drop off our luggage, and then we're gonna do the cooking class. The cooking class is technically all day from 8:30 to 4:30, and then we get to finally see our Airbnb. It's early, it's 7 a.m. so we on the go. Buenos dias, mi gente. Llegamos a Chiang Mai. This is stay number what, 3?
1, 2, yeah.
This
Yeah,
is
it's number 3.
Stay number 3.
Bed number 3.
And we got 2 more beds to go.
We do? Oh yeah, we do.
We do. Hey, y'all ready to cook it up? Shake it up, shake it up. Look at the wrist.
Man, boy.
He's laughing at you.
Ready to cook?
Yeah, girl. I'm gonna chef it up so we can start a restaurant in the U.S. Come see us. And we serve coffee.
Okay, you got it. This is a sticky rice for the sticky rice with mango.
We started the cooking class tour. Right now we're at the market learning about all the ingredients. So we just learned all the different rices. About jasmine rice and the different rice to make the sticky rice too. It's so different. I don't know where we're going now though.
Drop it in.
Have you seen the whole turmeric?
Yeah.
Never?
I don't think I have. So we're at this stall and we got coffee from here.
How's your coffee, girl?
Delicious. U.S. could never.
How was your coffee?
Really good.
It was, yeah. I thought it was gonna need sugar, and then I said, yeah, what you got? Why you always try to be like us?
This is what I drink at home.
You right.
It's amazing though.
That's like his quesadilla in a bottle.
It is. It is. It is.
It's better than the one at home, huh?
It is better than that.
We have made it to our second destination to start cooking.
Yeah? 5 to 10 branches? Yeah? Per person? Just to make sure we have enough.
Cristali in her element. Looking like a true Dominican.
Okay, that's nice.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, this is the same. No, this is Thai basil. It smells the same as what I just Okay, so this is Thai basil and now we have
I'm so proud of you guys.
I think the holy basil was where. Is it right there? Is that it there?
Yeah, I believe so.
I think so. How are you?
You ready? Chop choppity.
So when you drink gin and stuff, you need lime with the skin, right? Drop the whole thing in, and you stir. Just about 2 tablespoons of oil. Move oil all over the wok. First thing, when the oil hot, you put tofu in. Yeah, we're gonna do teamwork. Yeah. You grab something, not like Just a hot oil, right? Okay, thank you. Put them all in.
Put them all in.
Yes, sir.
There's more cooking than you do at home.
Okay, and pepper. You mix it well. So the brown one is a wooden ear mushroom. The orange one is a carrot. Yeah. Bean sprout and cabbage. Yeah. Big pepper with the bean together, small chili pepper together, and basil. See, 1, 2, 3, and 8, and pork. Okay. So this chili here, super fine. But when you dice it, I wouldn't use my finger like that. You can just touch your face.
How goes it with the pad thai?
Okay, you have a 1 bowl each.
I don't know if I'm supposed to get that.
Tastes like a molasses. So it's got black soya.
I think the shallots are supposed to be mixed.
It's a unique flavor.
The
You don't have, you
thing?
don't need to.
I know, but I don't know about
All of
Number
those.
one. Number two,
Yeah, it's fair. She got pad thai
you
too.
got this. This is the oyster.
Fine, like that?
1 spoon. And then
I don't even trust you. You use the microwave.
soya. White soya. 1 teaspoon.
That is?
That.
Oh yeah, she left hers like that too.
That. In the past, before we have oyster sauce, before we have
Mince it.
onion.
There's a shallot. These two in?
Yeah, mix for 10 seconds, you're done. Mix it up.
Chili. I'm the only one that got that fast food chicken. Hey, you got a beautiful. They got their own chef.
I am a chef. In here. Right, and then roll. But when you do the egg, the heat has to be high.
Okay.
Use the hot wok to cook your egg. Remember the technique that I showed you? Yeah. So that part is important. 5 to 10 seconds makes the texture totally different. The house will be burned down.
How was your food? Try it?
Start pounding the spice first, the seed. When the seed become powder, add everything except the shrimp paste. And do not stop smashing until I tell you to.
Okay.
Thank you.
How's it going?
Working hard for this food, bro. My food was good though.
You know, we could have just went to a restaurant and we would have been done eating and I could have been taking a whole nap.
Yeah, but it's not the experience you have.
You wanted experience?
Yeah, I want the experience.
ESS.
Experience. SSESSS.
ไปโฮนี่แหละ In Thai we call กระต่ายขูดมะพร้าว Are you tired? Oh, you don't mind to make one mix match together?
Or she making sticky rice. She making sticky rice with glasses. Who she think she is?
One, two, three. Why you look so happy just to do a boomerang? You have fun, girl.
Yeah, we're officially finished. We done graduated. Let me show you.
Oh, we done graduated. Oh my god.
They
Oh
printed
my
a-
goodness.
a
Look, that's us.
cookbook.
They
With
put
all
me
our
in the
pictures.
kitchen for 8 hours. I can't breathe. I'm so full.
It was the rum you just had. Why you lying?
No, I was full.
Then we got certificates.
Hey.
Must do. You should come do it. It's a must do.
I mean, I was fighting for my life after the soup, but it was really good.
That's because it was hot. She put too much peppers.
No, I was full after the soup, ma'am.
Oh,
It's okay, we're gonna go for a jog.
And I was like, oh no, there's 2 more courses. Is that your job?
Yeah, we're ready to go for a jog. Damien, you awake over there? You have fun? Full of adventure. Okay, so this is the casita we're staying in. Oh, say hello. Okay, so this is it. We have to take off our shoes. Please hold a YouTube because I gotta take my shoes off. Oh, okay. This is the first floor. You have the kitchen, the closet, a common area which is like a living room, which also has a bed. And a bathroom. Pretty spacious bathroom. There's also a little office in here. And a little crib. There's a little crib. Have a sink. A washer here. Boom boom, boom boom, boom 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 boom, boom, boom boom, bam. Hello. You got a fancy bathroom. Common area. So cute. This is one bedroom. This is the other bedroom. Such a pretty cute place. So cute, so cute. And then there's a little balcony. Here. And that concludes the quick house tour.
hello. I'm back how did you guys enjoy Lena's room tour? Was it lovely? What did she say? I don't know because I haven't edited the video. She's taking a bath right now. How goes it in there? How goes it in there? This is why I don't let Lena do room tours unsupervised. Because, oh, hello, Damien. Who's in there, Janae? Oh, she told you this was a closet. It was actually a whole bathroom. Toilet, shower, whole bathroom.
Okay, we're back in the room. We were supposed to make it to the night. What is this? The night bazaar market. But that didn't happen. So we got food takeout. Typical Americans. We got KFC.
Speak for yourself.
Okay, she's eating my KFC.
There you go.
I got KFC. They actually have I can't remember what the name was. It was like Zam wings or something. Those wings are mad good, but they're a little spicy. And she got the soy. She said it was good. It was yummy. So we did grab takeout. Yeah. And it's time for night-night because we gotta go to catch a flight tomorrow to go to Bangkok. Tomorrow to go to Bangkok. Alright. Good night. Peace, deuces. I'm going night-night.
We're up. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm drinking some tea because, you know, we have to go eat breakfast at 7:30. Don't mind Lena's hair either. She still hasn't done it. Looking like a crazy person.
This is like worse than being in the wilderness.
Literally, I don't think we even had this bad of bugs in Twilight Orchard.
Nope. So, I'm not taking a shower. Because there's a lizard in the sink. There's mosquitoes all over the place. I'm gonna shower when I get to Bangkok because I can't do this. I feel all itchy. I feel like they're crawling up me. Oh my goodness.
The place is really cool though, but yeah.
I would stay again and come with a lot of repellent.
It's crazy because they turn on like the incense thing for the mosquito, like the burning incense thing.
Oh, that's what that was?
Oh yeah, the smell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it didn't help.
Yeah, but he only had put it downstairs. I would assume that they would have put one up and one down, but either way.
Yes. And today we got guess. Did you guess it? You're right. Tattoos.
I'm so weak.
Oh my god.
Anyway, we're like, according to the GPS, we are 12 minutes away from the airport. According to Thai time, when you just drive, it's probably gonna be like 20 minutes. But yeah, I just want to come on here and say good morning, and that's it. The trip is almost coming to a close. We are 1/3. We have 1/3 of the trip left, which is today and tomorrow. What's today? Wednesday? Thursday?
I'm so sad that the trip is coming to an end. I don't want to go home.
I'm like a crazy person. Anyway, we will see you later. I'm gonna finish my tea and then we have to go breakfast.
Not your tea. You sound like a little old lady.
Leave the brush out.